Hi and welcome to today's video. Today's video is all about setting up a solar water fountain. I have my pond, as you can see right in front of me. It's already got the waterfall flowing, that's all solar power, but I need a fountain, something spectacular in the middle of my pond to really bring it to life, to add that extra little bit of extravagance to my pond. And I've got one today. This one is from Poposoap Solar. So I'm going to get unboxing this and then show you just how quick and easy. It's believed to be really quick and easy setup. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and then we'll see the results at the end. So let's get straight into this and get unboxing. Okay, first off, really nice, neat packaging, all made from cardboard. So let's see what we have inside. Right, we've got a bit of a manual. We have the inlet tube. We've got our different types of fountain connector. We've got a mounting spike. This looks like the pump itself. Here's our pump, and that wire, I'll read the instructions in a minute, but I think that's a good couple of meters, so we can position the solar panel away from the pond, somewhere it's going to get sun. And seeing as it's gone a little bit cloudy, this is going to be a good test to make sure it still works. So there's our pump. Looks like a replacement filter. Couple of screws if you want to stick that on the wall, or if you want to put the solar panel up somewhere. I'm just going to be staking it in the ground for now, which will just go onto this. That'll just clip in nicely and we'll position it in the ground. Nice, well-made solar panel. This is 20 watt maximum power. Maximum power voltage is 18 volts. So a little bit of technical specifications for you there. Just get rid of the boxes for now. We've got some more filters and keep them in there. We might have to put one on. I'm hoping it's already inside here. Yes, we already have our filter, so they are 2 spares. That literally just goes inside there, and that just filters it, so stops all the rubbish getting through into our pump and jamming it. Good idea. That clips on really nicely. Nice solid pump, well made. Again, we've got the solar water pump input, DC 6 volts to 24 volts, 1 to 50 watts. And it's all made in China. Okay, and now I'm just going to open this box. We've got some instructions on here. That's going to show us, get it the right way up. We need H into G, into F, into E, and then we've got at least 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 different attachments. So let's have a go at just putting them all together first. Okay, we've got the H and G already connected, so I presume they're just going to go straight on. It's a nice tight fit, always good when it's nice tight fit, then you're not going to get any kind of leakage. We've got H into G, then going to get F put on. F is our, I'll find out the right way that goes on. Yeah, another nice tight fit. Just have to force it down a little bit. What that is our flow, so you can make it flow with more or less, and that's our on off. Obviously we want it to be in this position, in the horizontal position, so the water flows through it. If I was to turn it, there we go, turn it that way, that's basically turning it off, and I don't want to do that. Nice and easy, and I'm gonna, don't know how much water is going to come through to start with, so we'll play with that once it's powered up and working. So let's have a look at how big this wire is, because the sun is now just moved behind the tree, so I'm going to have to position this somewhere which gets the sun most as possible. All right, this is looking straight away like it's at least, say, 1, 2, that's at least 3 meters long. This, it might be a little bit longer. Back to this anyway, we need to put E on. E fits on top. It's already got one adapter. Let's go with the one it's already put on to begin with. That's the spray one, I believe. We won't need this because it's just going to be powering straight up. That would be if you wanted to come out of a pond, go through some tubing and come up elsewhere. So hopefully you can see this just on the back of the solar panel. We've got the connector. I'm just going to pop this straight in and then tighten it up. There we go. So nice sturdy base. Try and get this solar panel in the sun somewhere and then just pop this straight in. Okay, so now the moment of truth. I'm just going to pop this into the pond and then connect up the solar and let's see the results. I do want it directly in the middle of my pond, so let's hope I don't fall in. Right, I've positioned it between a couple of bricks because I was finding that the small base was causing it to fall. Because this is a pond, the suction caps that are on the bottom of that pump are not sticking to the base of my pond. As you can imagine, it's a bit rough down there. There's a few stones and other bits of debris. So I've just positioned 2 rocks either side to hold that in position. And it didn't fall in. Right, the sun is now shining nicely. I've positioned the solar panel directly in front of the sun. If you can see, I've put the spike on so that you can move that wherever you want. That'll sit nicely in the ground. I can always adjust that. This moves up and down, can pivot, so let's get maximum sunlight. Here's the wire coming from the fountain. Here's the other end of it into the solar panel, and I should just, as soon as I connect that, oh, yes. Look at it, there's some height on that actually. I'm expecting it to fire up quite that high. Oh, wow. From out, you should just be able to gauge exactly how high that water fountain is now going. So that's one attachment, if I can get in there. That's the almost like a shower head attachment. So I'll swap it over now and we'll have a look at a couple of other attachments. There's 2 more. Okay, we've got almost like the dome shaped one, really, really pretty. And I'm not sure what this one is. I think it's just going to be a one. It's going to fire up one shoot. So let's try it. In the safest way, I'm going to unplug the solar, stop me getting soaking wet. Fountain off. Okay, that just pops off. That is the one I've just had on already. Let's go for this one. And again, just connect it up to the solar panel, straight in, and oh, actually, that's even better. Oh yeah, I much prefer that one. That's a much prettier fountain. Look at that. I'm hoping the sound of the water is being picked up on the microphone. That is really nice. Come round so from this angle with a bit of the sun shining on it. Okay, so really like that one. And then the final one, I call it the dome. Not sure if it is a dome as such. Just connecting that up now. Oh, it's very pretty. And keep the camera still. Oh, that's a nice pretty one. Just come out a little bit. So I've got my waterfall here. And now I've got a little one in the middle. I think attachment number 2 is actually my favourite. But that's still quite nice as a little water feature. I'd probably look better in a smaller pond or a smaller little water feature. As mentioned, you can actually also mount your solar panel in a tree or on a post. So I've put the bracket up ready. This is another good angle. And that literally just slots on the back. Just like that. Right, I do hope you've enjoyed that tutorial. This is the Poposoap solar water fountain. I'm absolutely made up with it. Attachment number 2 is my favourite. I'm going to call it the star connection. It comes up like a star, really pretty. There's a lovely tranquil sound. Any pond should have some kind of water fountain. Plus, moving water stops the build-up of algae. Really beneficial. It also puts more oxygen into your water, because obviously that water is bubbling down and constantly oxygenating in the water. So it's very beneficial. It looks pretty, it sounds great, so I would really recommend a solar powered water fountain from Poposoap. But if you do like this kind of thing, if you've enjoyed this, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.